Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and a warm welcome if you're new, honey. So today we're going to discuss the new updates that I have on the Mike Tyson plane incident. It looks like a lot is going on, so if you're ready to get into this story, just stay tuned. So for starters, the man who got punched by Mike Tyson on the JetBlue plane has a pretty long criminal record, and his name is Melvin Townsend III, and this by far was not the first encounter that he had with cops. He's been convicted of fraud, grand theft, burglary, possession of controlled substances, and trafficking in stolen property. For example, back in 2018, the 36-year-old broke into a property and stole a trailer that he then hitched to his pickup. Now, the drug possession offense was for oxycodone, and other than that, the official documents that I have don't really say anything else other than he served time twice, once for 20 months and another time for 15. Now, I do want to add, none of those charges or criminal offenses have anything to do with the situation at hand. I just wanted to give you a little bit of background about the person who was in the situation with Mike Tyson. Now, there's actually more. So this guy did go ahead and lawyer up. He got an attorney. So we're about to see some type of court action, some type of settlement. I'm not even sure, but it's going down. The attorney is Matt Morgan from Morgan & Morgan, who represents Melvin Townsend III. Now, he made a statement saying, "Our client is a big Mike Tyson fan. When Mike Tyson boarded the plane, he became overly excited. At first, their interaction was cordial. But at a certain point, Mr. Tyson clearly became agitated by an overly excited fan and began to strike him in an excessive manner. This situation could have been avoided simply by contacting the flight attendants. Our client denies throwing a water bottle prior to being struck by Mr. Tyson." So a lot of you may be asking questions about that last sentence about the water bottle, because yes, Tyson's camp or group did actually say that before he got physical with him, he did throw a bottle at Tyson first. So that's why he went ahead and said, "No, I'm denying that. I never threw the water bottle." His attorney continues saying, "To state the obvious, as one of the greatest fighters of all time, Mr. Tyson should have exercised greater restraint before using his hands on an overly excited fan." Additionally, a source that's really close to Townsend says that he is still in shock and has not made a determination on what his next steps will be. He hired counsel due to his physical injuries and overwhelming nature of this event and the associated media inquiries. Honestly, this guy has a very valid case. I mean, and I thought like when your hands were registered or something, like they're considered a weapon. Like, so if you actually like even fight somebody, like you don't even have a weapon like a knife or a gun, but you have your registered hands that are trained and ready to fight, I thought in some states that counts as a weapon. So we're gonna see. We're just gonna see. Honestly, I hate this for Tyson because I do feel like the guy, like, I mean, he started it, he initiated it, and he took it too far and got too excited. But I do feel like Tyson could have avoided this situation by calling a flight attendant, I can't talk, calling a flight attendant, a stewardess, or, you know, security, somebody, instead of just taking it into his own hands and physically assaulting somebody. Because whether or not whatever happened first happened, whether he did throw the water bottle at Tyson or not, I know that might make some sort of difference, but I mean, you physically assaulted this man and it's on video. So like, you can't say that you didn't do it, you know. All right, let's just see how this plays out. Leave your thoughts in the comments. Do you think Tyson was in the right? Do you think he was in the wrong? If you don't agree with me, that is okay, boo. I promise you, it don't even matter. Leave it in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you're notified every time I post. In the meantime, guys, please be careful out here. If you see your favorite celebrity, do not run up on them or you might get Mike Tyson. Just saying. All right, love you. Bye.